hero. It's time to make a change.
I love it! Join us next time on Eggman X when the universe's greatest super genius finally puts the brakes on that spineless speedster Sonic the Scuzzbag.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen to. I'm blue, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die. I'm blue, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die.
Sunny never gives up, no matter how hard a problem is.
Sunny's a great helper.
Sure, we'd love to help. Everybody needs help sometimes. Right, guys? Mm-hmm.
Especially with her best friend Doodle by her side.
You're my BDFF.